Okay, today we are going to thread the Brothers ce1008 computerized sewing machine. You put your thread on there. You put your spool holder on there. You loop it through this. There's a little metal loop right there. You just pull it through there, and you pull it through here, making sure it's between the two metal discs in there. And then you come around through here, you come up, and then you want this side of the thread to go up on the very wall of this side, and then you want to drop it with this thread on the other wall, the opposite wall. So then you drop it, you get it in your little hook, come down through here, and you put it on the little slot above the needle. Then you put it through the needle, just like that. Voila, and you have it threaded right there. And that is how to thread the ce1008 computerized sewing machine. Thank you.